Alright guys, let's get to business. Put my laptop down. What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Smay. If you guys don't know who I am, you guys can check my other videos. I have videos explaining about who I am, what I want to do on this channel, how I can help you guys, and plenty of insightful videos on credit cards, stock market, and so forth. So today I have a video for you guys about real estate. Why am I going into real estate at 18? I'm 18 if you guys don't know. I plan on going on to be a real estate agent in the next few months. As I transition into college, I'm going to be going to college part-time and also working as a real estate agent. So without further ado, I'm going to give you guys 5 reasons why I'm going to be a real estate agent and why I'm going into real estate in general. So let's open up my laptop here. Let me adjust my seat. Okay. Usually I just write everything down on my laptop in my notes section and just talk about it with you guys. Sometimes I write it down, sometimes I put it on my laptop. So number 1 of why I chose to go into real estate is that I'm interested in real estate. Real estate has always been something that has always interested me because I always wanted to, have my own mansion. Everyone can relate to that. You want your own mansion. You want to live in a big, nice house of your design, exactly how you want it, For me, I'm not very different. I'm just really passionate about it. Like, for me, example, I want to get my own castle one day. Not castle, but a very large mansion that looks like a Dracula's castle. But besides that, I enjoy learning about real estate. I enjoy everything that goes along with buying and selling houses, the value of houses, how you can appreciate a house's value by making it look nice, interior designing. My family, since moving to America, has always been into real estate. A majority of Asian people are always interested in real estate. Let's just say that I'm particularly interested in real estate. And then the second reason that I'm going to real estate is that it would start my real estate portfolio. What I mean is that I want to create a good amount of diverse investment portfolios. So that could be stocks, bonds, ETFs, and in this case, real estate. Real estate is one of the best long-term investments you can make, and we'll dive deeper into that later in the video. Back to the point, I want to go into real estate as an agent to learn how things work, how to deal with contracts, how to deal with closing, and generally you would meet people who are in the business, and it's almost about being connected with the work, the more connected you are, I guess for me it would be just more relevant to my life, right? So I'll be able to work and have a salary while also be able to invest in real estate myself. So that's a great win-win. So that sums up number 2. Now number 3, the third reason why I want to get into real estate is the incredible tax break that you get being a real estate investor in general. The government allows you to write off a lot of things, particularly because you create affordable housing, and it's a business in general, so you can have a lot of tax write-offs. And my long-term goal is obviously to make a S Corp and have my friends and even family be able to join the company and invest in real estate as a group. I would also have an individual rental property corporation, I guess you would say, where it would just be my whole portfolio separate from my business and corporation. Back to tax breaks. The government basically gives you tax breaks because you're creating affordable housing, you're contributing to the economy, so the government kind of gives you a break on that, And that kind of wraps up the benefit there. So number 4, the 4th reason why I want to get into real estate is that it's an active income as an agent, carrying over to a passive income as an investor. So as an agent, I would be working, I would be, helping people close, I would represent people as an agent to buy and sell their house. Going from there, that's called an active income, right? So I'm working for it and I'm getting a salary. So then let's say I transition and use my money from that active income and invest it in a property. Let's say I buy a duplex or a single house, whatever, right? I'll be able to now, let's say, rent that out, and I would be able to receive cash flow from my rental properties, which then turns to creating passive income. The benefit there is that I could work for my money and be able to create a cash flow which I do not have to work for. So it's setting myself up for early retirement, basically. I'm trying to retire as early as 30. That's my goal right now. So if you guys maybe have a similar goal, let me know, comment below. Maybe you guys can help me get there sooner. Who knows? The sooner the better, right? We're gonna highlight that as active income into passive income. All right. So that wraps that up. And now we're gonna get into the fifth and final reason that at least that I can think of right now that I would go into being a real estate agent and real estate in general. That is to, again, retire early and create a legacy income. Before I explain what a legacy income is, I just want to touch up and go a little deeper on retiring early. Like I said, I've seen my parents work from since they were basically kids. Well, I haven't seen it, but I've heard them tell me about it. They've worked since my age up until now, which they're like mid 40s, like early 50s, and they're still working, and I just look at that and I'm like, my parents have worked their whole life and they still can't enjoy their life, and most of their working days were on the farm in like a third world country. So obviously there was no saving, no investing until now, where they can save majority of their money and even invest in a house, So that motivated me to want to work hard and retire early and enjoy my life, Something that I want to clarify is that I've said this before, I want to become a millionaire by 30. That means retiring early. I want to be able to get money out of the way. Like, I want to be able to enjoy life without having to worry about money. When you go to a restaurant, you don't want to have to look at the price. When you want to go on vacation, you just take your family and go. There's no, let's see the cheapest pricing for the airline or the hotel. I want to be able to allow my parents, I want to help them and be able to allow them to go on vacation without having to worry. I want to go to a restaurant with my parents and just let them pick. Like, I want to cross out the price and just let them pick the food they want to eat, That's my goal for now. So we're going to move on to legacy income. Legacy income is basically what we can say passive income from rental properties and properties you own that you can pass on to your kids. Your apartments, houses, real estate in general that you own today, you can pass on to your kids, and your kids can pass on to their kids. This is why there's a wealth gap in America right now, from different demographics, from white Americans, black Americans, and Asian Americans. Obviously, families who are a little bit more wealthy, the middle class, they have had legacy income passed down to them. Again, we can get into a whole nother video about legacy income and the problem with generational wealth gap later. But today that wraps up why I'm going into real estate. Thank you for watching. If you guys are interested in more videos about real estate and investing and retiring early, then make sure to subscribe because I'm gonna have way more content in the future. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe.